All right. Hello, friends. It is your friend, CryptoFace, and tonight is the Sunday going into Monday Bitcoin price action video. And, boy, I just got done an hour or two ago recording the huge announcement that I have for you guys tomorrow or the next day about how I'm going to be funding you guys, where if you're able to make 10% without losing 5%, you get 100x your money to trade with. And we'll go over those details tomorrow or the next day. But I just wanted to do a video in this video for the price action, kind of what I think is going to happen, can happen, what levels, and so on and so forth. So let's get after it. This is without spider lines. We're going to start off on the 4 hour. Okay. And just kind of looking at some basic trend lines we have drawn here, and just the really basic environment that we've had going on here. Very wiki and topsy-turvy. It is the weekend. You know, on the 4 hour, money flows down. It's in the red. Ooh, boy, we got this momentum wave churning over. VWAP coming down. RSIs are green and tight together. I am overall still leaning bearish, but I believe we could see, you know, maybe a run up to 67, 68, potentially even up to the 70,000. That's what my father, last week or however long ago said, my son, I sold my Bitcoin at 70, 72, 71,000. And normally, you know, my father is one that you would want to counter trade. And he was right about this one, I think, so far, about selling 71, 72,000. It's Father's Day, so shout out to my father. But I know him. And just an hour or two ago, with this little price action, these candles, I got the text message that, oh, Bitcoin pumping. I think I might want to get back in. And maybe he's right. Maybe there is a sneak up. You know, listen, you know, we had that big sell-off. It came up and revisited. Boom, short back down. Boom. We've had price action sell-off. So absolutely the price can come back up to these previous levels. You know, I just drew these lines here because we're doing a little Gareth, Bareth, Holloway, basic trend lines. We got this one right here with these tops right here straight across. That's 70,000. Again, we are in the red on the money flow. You know, we've seen potential, you know, right here pop up. It could pop up. So I think it is dangerous right now. Dangerous to trade right now. If we're taking a look at the monthly, we're halfway through the month. We still have the red dot there on the momentum wave. A kind of scary looking VWAP coming down. Momentum is thick. We've seen the zero line be support before. On the monthly, the dual band strength index, the DBSI, we do have a weaker bear and a stronger bull right there on the 2 week. Momentum slightly coming down on the week. Gets a little scary looking with the head and shoulders with the downward neckline. And those play out, man. These play out. 90% of the time, if not more. Hell, this looks kind of similar right here. This had a little head and shoulders, neckline to the downside. And that was from 29,000 down to 25,000 right there. Oh boy, how long ago was that? Jeez, that was in July 2023, exactly a year ago. Exactly a year ago. Interesting. Could it be the same to me? That would be 20%. 20% would bring us to 58,000. Give or take the previous, there'd be 22%, 56,000 from your father. If I was your father, I would say, boy or girl, be careful. Be careful. It has been institutional devils at play, not retail. Back in the day, yours truly was able to manipulate the price of Bitcoin. We've manipulated the price. Well, I'm not going to say that. But we've done trades where we never mind. Anyways, so we're Sunday going into Monday. Little inward curvature here. Yeah, I would have to say that these are most likely levels to look for shorts. 68, this right here, this 68, and maybe the 70. The weekends, you know, you can't trust them. You gotta watch them. Can't trust them, gotta watch them. Again, I'm not saying this is going to happen. I'm just saying it could happen. We've been seeing bearish patterns, fractal patterns. Same time last year, we had a 20% drop. Not that that matters. But we are in the dog days of summer. And this price action has been trap action. Real trap shit. This is real trap shit going on. Ghetto. Ghetto as hell. Memphghanistan. This is Memphghanistan price action. Sets you up, knocks you down. Straight up. These are real traps. Real traps. So yeah, we'll see what Monday, Tuesday brings us. I know for us, the funding thing for me in this community, it's many millions of dollars was locked and secured. I want to fund you guys. We're going to be doing Bob's Rolex, Bob's watch giveaways for people who are funded. All kinds of fun stuff. But I want to fund your journey. The details are going to be coming out maybe tomorrow, 100% by Tuesday. Yeah, be careful. Be careful. You know, we're supposed to trade when you can't walk away from it. Beautiful channel. We are in a beautiful little channel. Totally realistic. Oh, I know what I'm forgetting, man. Let's take a look at the spider lines. Let's take a look at, we'll start with the OG spider lines first. And what do you know? Here we are with the OG spider lines. Let me flick that right there. Do that. Set it on log. There we go. Let's go to the current spider line. Zoom out from the weekly. We are on log. Now we zoom in. Big gap right here. It's a big gap right here. Log and non-log. Man, do I have to redraw these lines again? I thought I saved these lines. But I guess we can do it real time. Go to the Ray button, have the magnifier selected on the weekly. Let's make a little room on the chart. And we just draw trend lines. We're just drawing trend lines, bringing them down to the first candle pendulum or this candle. Just like that right there. What happens if we click the log? There we go. That's what we like to see. Hey, yippee-yi-yee. Looking for 65. Potentially. What's next down here? 59.60. And, yeah. Yep. Long way down. Got a long way down. And, man. You know, man. Yeah. Yes, sir. We are the empowering lifestyle. Empowering lifestyle. That's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. You know, we can draw our little lines and stuff if we zoom in. Now with that. Take that, then that. Easily we can see. Yeah, I think a couple. We could see some boner candles. Could see boner candles. Definitely not long in this. Could be a nice big dump coming right here, boy. This is a tight momentum wave to the downside. If I had to enter a trade right now, if I was going to, I'd be short with protected stop losses. I'd pick up a couple pennies, have a couple protections, maybe set, you know, probably. I'm not a big fan of setting shorts at higher price action until I actually see the action get to that price. But yeah, if I had to enter a trade right now, it would be short. It would be short if I had to enter a trade right now. Yeah, so look out for, I think we're going to look out for these wicks. If we do get some wicks up here, again, my guess is it's short day, all day. I mean, that's what's been paying off. That's what's been paying off. So, all right, guys, big announcement tomorrow or the next day. Also, yeah, big announcement tomorrow or the next day. I'm really going to push for tomorrow. I want to pay you guys, and I want to fund you guys in your trading. I'm out of energy because I was 3 espressos deep again. I went ham hock on a 30-minute video going over everything. It's a good, fun video. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm all over the place. I'm frothing at the mouth for you guys to take my money and trade it. All you got to do is, you know, you get to get 100x your money. So for $500, or for, it's actually a little for $1,000, you can get 100 grand. Give me 1,000. Show me you can make 10% with it without losing 5%. If you can, you get 100 grand. Also, I very much appreciate all of the testimonials in the Market Cipher Discord. I just emailed the new testimonials you guys been putting in to the website people and the SEO people. So we might see some of that there. For the memes, great memes. Of course, Curtis is the one. This was my favorite meme. Very creative. I can't believe we haven't thought about this before. This is a great meme. The CF spider lines. Okay. That's a good one. That is a good one. This was another good one. This was another good pulse chain one. This is cute. It's a cute frog. Chilino's doing good. Chilino's good. This is a good one. You know, right now it's all about taking profits, getting in the trade, not being in it for a long time. I was thinking that, man, I've been playing with Chileno, and I really think we can learn from Chileno. I think Chileno is going to be our mascot. When I think about how to be a good trader, a chameleon. He adapts to his environment. We adapt to our trade environment, and he gets his target and eats it. He doesn't take a long time. He doesn't hit his tongue on a cricket or the slug and the worm and let it sit there. When he sees the opportunity, he takes it and closes the deal. And if you aren't on Twitter, to pencil necks when they talk shit on stream. Okay. Oh. Grandma. Alright, go get him, Chileno. Go get him, Chileno. That's it. Go get him, Chileno. Boom! And now, just like that, he closes the deal. Just like that. Look at my little boy. Angel. Look, he's so happy. He's so happy. Look, his eyes are moving. Yes, my little boy. My little Chileno. So I'm happy. I think we should all be like Chileno. I think we need to be like Chileno. Good looking, content. Look at his beautiful little claws. When I handle him, I have little holes in my arm. He makes his mark. He's got beautiful little bone spine. He has a spine. Not like these pencil necks that have no spine. He blends in, he adapts to his environment, and when he sees an opportunity, he takes it and takes it home. Thank you. I appreciate you guys so much. I know the world is ugly right now. Trading is ugly right now. Driving is ugly right now. It's hot outside for the northern equator. Can you believe it's like winter time in Australia or some shit? Are you telling me you guys are wearing jackets in Australia, or my South Africans? Can we verify that? If you're south of the equator, is it winter time for you? That's so weird. Did you know hurricanes don't go past the equator? Look it up. It's pretty interesting. I'll see you guys later.